It's sticky and cloudy and mosquito-y this morning.
It sure is. And it ain't gonna get any better.
Yeah, we're supposed to get more rain.
All weekend, but they did say the humidity is gonna break and be in the dew points will be back in the 60s, upper 60s instead of the 70s. It's like 73 the dew point.
Okay.
That's sticky.
Well, don't let them bite you too bad while you go get the paper.
Yeah, thank you.
No packages!
Just no mail, just the newspaper.
Oh, I like it when packages are out there.
So I unplugged both cars this morning. I haven't had my fob with me for the X, and my phone worked great.
For the Y?
Yep, Jules. And you know, it's going to be threatening weather today. Thunderstorms at any time. It might as well, you know, better safe than sorry. And
I continue to love this Asiatic jasmine. It has started to cascade over, and it's just such a enjoying bright spot here on the corner of the boardwalk. Hi, Gray. Oh, I want your picture. Don't go away. It's wild turkeys. Quite a few of them, actually. There they are. This is where I need my 70D, and I don't have it. Tux is on one corner of the front porch. Hey, buddy. And Panther is on the other corner. Panther is not pleased that Tux is in his area. But there's only so many times I can move Tux out of the way if he's not actually causing a problem at the moment. And boy, the canna lilies are pretty today. When you're a virtual student, this is the kind of lunch you get. Now, in all fairness, Don always heated up Johnny's lunch in the morning and put it in a thermos. And he had this kind of good food for lunch anyway, but it is better freshly warmed up by Mom, ready for you when you come out and get it. Now, a lot of days he's doing it himself, but since I'm around and not busy today, I'm helping a kid out. No, I don't want to send my computer off. But no, they can't have my computer.
But sweetie, it's gonna come back and it's gonna be all fixed.
No.
And you know,
my camera's gone and my computer's gone. Better not nothing happen to my car. Don't
God.
Deep doo-doo. I can't take it. A girl can't take it.
Well, at least she's getting all this. See, I can be empathetic. I just need to be Mr. Empathetic right now. It covers all these problems, and it gets it over quick, like a Band-Aid.
Okay.
The poor kitten. I'm so sorry.
I don't want to use a Chromebook tonight. I want my MacBook.
I'm going to let you use my Chromebook, my i7 Chromebook.
Okay. Johnny had his private Taekwondo class after school today at 2:30, so Don came and moved Ruby out for me. It's about 3:40. I am headed to the FedEx place at the Fuquay Walmart to drop off my computer. Don's behind me with the box. Oh, Don's gonna mow while I'm gone.
Yep, get a little exercise.
I'm sorry. It's stickier and stickier. I mean, it couldn't be any more sticky unless it was raining.
That's right, but they said it's going to be even worse this weekend, so.
Thank you for mowing for me and the kitty so we don't run into things we don't want to run into in the grass.
We didn't run into anything, that's right.
Be back in a bit.
All right, have fun.
I think I have an express FedEx label, and the pickup time for that is 4:30, so I've got plenty of time for that. However, if it's actually a ground label, the pickup time is 4 p.m. and I'm really pushing it on getting inside a Walmart to the FedEx place by 4 p.m. So, we'll see. It'll work itself out one way or the other, but I really need to hear that my computer is going out today. It's headed to Tennessee, not California. Thank goodness, because my camera went to California. You know, stuff is just not moving very fast during the pandemic. So, sending getting it to a closer place is better. If I had it to do all over again, I might would have researched camera repair on the East Coast. Might would have saved me a week less time of my camera being gone. All right, it's 3:53. Put climate on so Ruby doesn't get too hot. And the computer's behind me. Ruby will be fine over there. So the nice guy running the FedEx location in Walmart said that I did make it in time for my computer to go out today. I told him I was relieved because I can't do without my computer. He asked what did I use it for, and I said, well, I vlog about Tesla, and that led into a nice conversation. He said he would love to have a Tesla, and he's trying to, you know, work with his wife about which one and that sort of thing. And I said, well, hey, check out Tesla Ruby, and you know, might be some interesting content. So that was a fun conversation. I enjoyed meeting him. And then on the way in, a gentleman hollered over, hey, is that Ruby up there? And I said, yes. And he said, I watch your vlog all the time, love it. And I said, wow, thanks. And that made my afternoon, and I smiled. So I had a good time at Walmart today, and I didn't even buy anything. It's looking like rain over toward the house. I don't have any severe alerts up on my phone though, so I'm not going to be too worried about it. It's not like Ruby's totally clean. I will work my way back toward the house, but I am playing a little bit of Pokemon Go because, well, I do that when I'm out every day, and we have a lot of new stuff this afternoon, including like 4 or 5 new Pokemon that were never released before, so I'm kind of excited about that. I warned Dawn that I might get distracted while I was in town. So the car truly is seeing this handicap spot in front of me. Pretty cool. I'm fixing to try this stop sign over here in South Park. All right, here goes nothing. Nice job, Ruby. So let's see how much I have to pull this toward me to go. Not much. Not as much as I would normally pull it toward me to engage traffic aware cruise control. So that's pretty cool. And it's prepared to stop for the one in front of me here too, but I'm not headed that way right now. I thought I'd try another test inside of South Park, except for well, she did let me set it, and she really couldn't see that very good, and she knew about it. I'm gonna go straight this time. Yeah, the click pulling in on the autopilot stalk is very subtle and works fine, because pulling in once would normally engage traffic aware cruise control, and pulling in twice would double pull fast would engage autopilot. Yeah, I don't normally go through South Park with traffic aware cruise control on. It's fine, Ruby, just make the turn. I got this, girl. It did start raining, and I'll try stoplights another day when it's not, you know, 5 o'clock rush hour traffic on a Friday in Fuquay. That's not really the best time to try it. It's just the way things worked out today. But if she stops for the stop signs right, I'm sure she's going to stop for the traffic lights also. There's Donnie!
There's my pretty girl.
Hey, yard looks good. Did you get rained on?
Just at the end, I was going to go in the driveway. I got sprinkled on.
All right. Bet you're hungry.
Yes, ma'am. Always.
What do you have there?
Oh, you know me. Always getting something my girl wanted me to get.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if I got
Johnny's over there with the dishwasher by accident. It's pretty easy to accidentally start it. I told you we got this. Hold it up a little higher. Yeah, Tesla parking only. Violators will be charged. And so
Yeah.
tell them where you're putting it.
I'm gonna put it over there on the wall next to Jules.
Yep. Way cool. It's aluminum.
Yeah.
It's like 8.5 by 12 or something like that. It's plenty big enough for where we're gonna put it. And
yeah.
yeah. Uh-oh. I just touched the refrigerator.
Y'all, you're touching your fingers.
No, if the refrigerator's not doing what it's supposed to, you'll know why now.
That's right.